What's the day chart doing? The old day chart. It's trying to kick up in there. Came back up through the low and the close of previous day. So, I mean, it could go. It could keep going. We don't know what it's going to do. Just trying to figure out where to get in. I don't want to give anything back. I like smooth price action. So we're seeing some smooth price action, at least for now. $15 and $5 are taking off pretty good. So, the question is, everything's looking up. Everything's looking up.
Order filled.
Well, we're going to give it a try here. Hopefully I'm not too close. If it goes over the top of that red bar, which it was. Keep going. Get it back up to this target up here. Yeah, let it keep going. I mean, that's a good entry. 15.5, everything's looking up. Hour chart's looking good. 15-minute, 5-minute. So I just get too close sometimes. Get too close. And I try to, my stop loss is too close. So I got to figure out something about that. But if it keeps moving like this, we're getting in at the right momentum. Come on, buddy, keep going for me. Should my stop be lower is the question. Trying to figure out if my stop is. I like this red bar ignored though. It's one of my favorite trades. And so if my stop was a little lower, I don't know. I like the pattern. It looks really good. I just don't want my stop to be too close. Yeah, looks good. Guess I don't need this one anymore. I don't know. Maybe that's too close. I need to go lower. Let me just bring it down here. I really don't want it to go below that 20 EMA though. If we're going to have momentum, if it's going to pick up, if it's going to keep going, I really want it to stay above these yellow lines, these momentum lines. You don't have to let it come down so far. Sometimes it's good to stay away. Sometimes it's good to be close. Looking at these other time charts, it looks like being underneath this pivot could be the safer bet here. Down here at the bottom, I'm not quite that low though. We will see. Try to get 2 to 1 out of it. It's going to have to go over the top of that pivot in order to get that. All right, so what are we doing? The day chart looks bullish back up over the close of yesterday, the low of yesterday. It's really the prices on the inside of it, the downtrend, strong downtrend. So it's trying to fight up a little bit here. Plenty of room to go to the 20 EMA at the top. But because the 60-minute, 15, 60, and all the way down is bullish, we're going to go bullish, even though the day chart, well, the day itself is bullish. Although it's the whole day is the day chart is trending down. See that? So if we could just maintain that up to that 20, that's some decent profit to be made. That's what it looks like. All right, are we on time? Let's see what we're doing here. All right, are we on time? Let's see what we're doing here. 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 All right, let me run a test here. Let me run a test here. All right, let me run a test here. Let me run a test here. All right, let me run a test here. Let me run a test here. All right, I want to see if this music sounds good in the background, how that sounds. All right, I want to see if this music sounds good in the background, how that sounds. All right, I want to see if this music sounds good in the back. Well, it's slowed down. 100%. That's begging to come back down. I don't know how far down it's going to go, but it's begging to come back down. That is begging to come back down. The question is, do I need to get my stop farther out of the way? How much would it cost if I just bring it down to here? I hate having my stop too close. All right, I definitely got to get a 1-to-1 on this. If it I think we've made enough of those. I just gotta. What was that stop? The stop was, where was it? It was right there. '30th. Okay, third. So now I need 6, 7, 9, 10. Wait a minute. I don't want these in everything. No, no. Done.
Turned my face from the open door, ran so far I couldn't see it anymore. Chased the wind, caught the dust in my hand.
7. I need a 7.
Build my house on sinking sand. But every step I thought was mine, your love was there, crossing the line. I walked away, but grace held on when I was weak. You stayed strong, every tear, every fall. You whispered, child, I've seen it all. I walked away, but grace held on. I made my plans, carved my path, burned the bridges, never looked back. But in the silence, I heard a sound, a voice so steady, calling me around. I walked away, held on when I was weak. You stayed strong, every tear, every fall. You whispered, child, I've seen it all. I walked away, but grace held on. Through the storms, through the fire, through the weight of my desires, you never let me go. No, you never let me go. When I doubted, when I ran, you still reached out your clenched my fists so tight they burned, held on to pain, refused to learn the weight of anger. It pulled me down. I wore my fury like a crown. But a whisper broke my heavy chains, a voice of love, it called my name. Jesus showed me how to let it go, taught my heart the peace I'd never known. I was blind, but now I see. Forgiveness set my spirit free.
How do I make sure my videos that I am scheduling for live stream are set to education and not entertainment?
I built my wall so high, so wide.
I'm in the video's details. I don't see a word called categories anywhere. Do I have to click settings or something? Okay, I switched it to education. Now, will all the scheduled streams be set for education? Because I thought I already did that, but maybe I didn't. Does it get changed automatically somehow without me knowing about it? So the 27th. Let me just go change the 27th.
Stumbled in the dark so deep, the ground was shaking beneath my feet, the way too much, I couldn't stand, but there he was, his love so near, a quiet voice I'd always
Yeah, it's breaking down.
every time I fell, he reached for me with nail-scarred hands. He set me free.
This one right now.
His love commands. I rise again in his nail-scarred hands.
So today, the 30th, is going to be, oh, yeah, if it's going to break 5 minute, come all the way down here and slam into that pivot level, then yeah, that's going to be brutal. Man, stay right where I'm at, I guess. Spooked out, yeah, but wait for what? For everything to line back up? It's already going that way. Just gotta keep your stop where it is and just tough it out.
Order filled.
I'm getting out. I'm not toughing nothing out. I don't want it to drop down. I'm waiting for the market to open, man. Let's wait for the market to open. Oops. I told you
Order
just
filled.
tough it out. You're getting too wishy-washy, and this is not good. Go back and read my goals here. Gonna be waiting until the market opens, isn't it? Yeah, that's exactly what it's gonna do. Hopefully it won't drop all the way down here. Goodness gracious.
Order submitted. Order cancelled.
It could go way up. Oh. Yeah, I mean, it's got, before it hits those pivot lows, I can get out right there.
like a heavy coat. Each step I took, the weight would grow. The chains I forged, I could not break. A heart so cracked it couldn't end. I cried out loud. No Fall heavy on my soul, my heart beats fast beyond control. A cold wind whispers, doubt's dark song. Where do I run? Where do I belong? Jesus, my anchor, strong and true. I cry to you, I cry to you. When fear surrounds me, when I can't see, you promised you'd stay right here with me. You promised you'd stay right here with me.
Couple minutes.
It spins a dizzying blur. My mind races a frantic stir. I search for peace, I search for light. Lost in the deep, endless night. Jesus, my anchor, strong and true. I cry to you, I cry to you. When fear surrounds me, when I can't see, you promised you'd stay right
First place is going is down. We know that. We know that.
Every tear that falls,
Everybody knows that.
every cry I shout, you always hear. You make a way. You make a way. The storms may
Third major resistance level coming into today was 6460, and we have had 100-point rallies just about every Sunday night coming into Monday.
Right. 6461. Let's take a look at gold. Gold trading 4600s right now. Crude oil. All eyes on crude, still above 100. We're trading $101.58. Got a little selling here in
does
the
what it does.
NQ.
I can't cry about it.
Short 5. Ted.
Ooh,
Andy,
wow.
In. Ted, what price? What's your average price on this short?
646125.
61.
And we have
quarters.
Powell speaking today at 10:30, by the way.
Yes,
FYI.
we do, but Aleph now.
Yes, he'll be at Harvard for a moderated
Okay.
conversation about all that good stuff.
All
I
right.
had a macro 101 class too. And Harvard gets, that's what they get. JD in the
They
chat
get Powell.
says we're well over 3,000 viewers. JD, I'm only seeing 36. I don't know. JD's saying there's 3,000 watching. I'm seeing 36, not 35. So seems to be conflicting stories here. So to all 35 of you, I'm just joking. Keep an eye here. A little pullback in crude. Jack, what was that? What was the tweet? I assume the sentiment
Is
was
it open?
something about a deal, but we did see that reaction.
Yeah, I think it was like everything's almost over.
Gotcha.
There's going to be a deal, something like that. That's the third time. There's been a little bit of diminishing returns of that. I was pointing this out the other day. Like if I go to the hour chart here,
Yep.
you can see we still have, remember, this was Monday morning at 240 points. The second one faded back quick. And then this one this morning, even a little less. So the market may be calling for some tangible results before it wants to take off.
It seems like the ETSs
What is
are the
that?
ones that take the bait on that. We do have a quote. Trump participates in a photo op. The president's photo op 45 minutes from now. 72% long on the tilt in the NQ right now. Pretty muted open. You trading right back to where we opened, 23,514. Ted, what's your downside target on this trade, or is it see money, take money? How do you?
I'm going to scalp and build some cushion, but I would like to see at least 5-4, 6-4-5-4, second major level.
Alrighty. Look, you're still 72% long on the tilt in the NQ. Take a look at the ES ladder. Pretty thin. We got 200, about 300 lots, a couple points lower right now. Using that level 2 data on top step X. Take a look at the NQ ladder. Pretty thin as well. Got 30 lot, about 5 points lower from where we're trading right now. Jack 10-year yields did see some relief in
Not
terms of
crazy.
They did. We're off about 10 basis points, I think, from the highs the other day.
Long.
4.35 in the 10-year. Ted is in.
Head is now, you're now long.
I'm looking to maybe close this out and buy a long. They look like they really want to buy this thing. I'm not crazy about it just yet.
Dow catching a bid here. Dow
Yeah, there's some
70
bids
points.
coming into the markets.
60 points off the highs.
All right.
Oh, might see a little selling. Got a little selling here in the NQ. NQ seeing some downside pressure. 3,480 now 475 trades.
I am back to break even in my short on the ES.
Whoa, bounce a little selling here.
Gonna
in
throw
the-
throw a little couple bids in there. Take it off. Oh, I don't want
Okay.
that. I want one at a time.
and about a 10,
Let's
12
go.
point turnaround. A little
There we
more
go.
selling here. There we go.
Let's go. 5-7.
Crude catching a bid
All right,
here.
I'm taking 2 off. Building some bank, so I got some more to play with.
And now short 3, shaving 2. More downside here in the NQ. NQ selling off that tilt, long tilt, and the NQ did level off to 50-50 now. Looking at about a 70 point, now 80 point turnaround to the downside in the NQ. Crude back above $102. Now $102.12 prints. Gold selling off. ES selling off.
Done. All right, 5-4 target hit right there. That was my
Dead.
trade.
Ed,
Let's go.
off the rip.
Hey,
Let's go.
there you go.
Look around as we open up. Apple's still the contrarian. They are down 0.4%. Everything else is up in the Mag 7. Leading the way would be Meta. Meta is up 1.3%, but that's kind of like that meme with the podiums and the guy in last place sipping champagne. Meta was down 8% Thursday and like another 4% on Friday, so they could use a little help.
Okay. A little bit more buying. Well, we got selling more buying in crude. Crude now $102.17. We're seeing gold sell off. Gold sell off about $20 right there. 45.83 would be the last price. Get some more downside follow through here in ES. ES 64.49 now. Trades.
Let it out. All right, what's the next level?
Here's the next level.
Major. 2.6 is next major level.
6426. Where do you get these levels, Ted? Or how do you
Charting, good old fashioned charting.
screen time, baby?
Take a longer time frame. Take a short time frame. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. It is an auction process. So where is the largest amount of volume that exchanged hands? That's what I'm looking for. And if those levels match up with good old charting 101, where you see support and resistance, those are my levels.
Okay. Got more selling here in NQ. NQ about 100-point turnaround lower. NQ trade
Wow.
23,433. Call it 430.
Yes. 6407 in the SPX, so we're about 6 points above a big round number, 6400 there. Looks like there could be a little bit of gamma support coming down to it. Andre, at some point, once Ho gets on, I might need to step off for a few minutes to update some information so I can get live data on some of these things, but I'm winging it, baby.
Oh,
It is.
I like it. We're gonna need that. More buying here in crude. Crude trading $102.24. Crude up about 80 cents in the first 7 minutes of this New York session. You heard him talking about levels. Oh, we got those top step daily levels for you. We're pinned to the top of the chat. Those are updated, refreshed before every New York Open. You don't have to necessarily go there. You can click on the indicators tab, the top step X there as well. Type in top step daily levels. Have them right there on your charts. Got updated, refreshed before every New York Open. More buying crude. Crude up about $1 here. First 2 minutes of the New York session.
I don't think we've had a day where we've traded longer than 3 minutes in the cash open 9:30, where crude is traded over $100. I think every time it's traded over $100, it's been in the pre and post market.
Interesting.
Another reason why I felt good about the short.
More buying
Yeah.
crude. Crude continue
Here we
to
go.
push higher here.
I'm going to re-enter
$102.35.
short at 5.4 if it gets back.
Head. We go back to the well. I like it. So we're buying crude. We're selling Dow. We're selling ES and the NQ. Looking at about 30-point turnaround to the downside in the ES NQ. 140-point turnaround.
Jack, it looks like NVIDIA just went neg.
Yeah,
Negative.
I was just gonna say the same thing. We had the flippening. Broadcom, Google, Nvidia all down slightly now to join Apple.
Jesus. Momentum to the downside.
Continued selling equities. NQ 130 points lower. Last 5 minutes or so. ES about 32 points lower right now. Crude up about $1.20. First 9 minutes of the New York session.
You good, Berica?
Love it. All right, upper left-hand corner of the screen. You got the name of the segment. You got the name of the show. It's called Fast Markets. We got Ted joining us at Fast Markets. Why do I tell you that? We'd like for you to hit us up at Top Step TV on the X using the hashtag Fast Markets or hashtag Power Hour. There's some cool stuff. Let's see some chart setups. Let's see some payouts. Let's see some trader wins. See some calendars. Wall of green. And Top Step TV on the X using the hashtag Power Hour or hashtag Fast Markets. We will turn that around to you later on in the day. All right, you 5 minute. We want to take this.
Oh, they're taking it right now. We're at 6,400 in the SPX, and it's
Yeah.
went through it pretty easy.
Here we go. Next
I
level
wish I
down.
had a runner.
10, 9.
It's all right. There'll be another shot at it.
Yep.
Only 10 minutes into the day. We got all day.
Off that damn right, Ted. We got 140 point sell off in progress in the NQ right now. 23,400 closing in on that. Yes, closing in at 64.40. About 2 points to go there. More selling in the NQ. Stops just went off there. 23,390. Two session lows all across the equities right now.
Okay, what's going
Truly
on?
wild times, Andre. I'm sure some of you saw over the weekend. We had the self-proclaimed Speaker of Iran telling us to fade the futures overnight market. Never seen that before.
No, it's there's a lot going on. Yeah.
There's a lot. You know, you think you've seen everything.
Yeah. That was a great time.
What a
I-
candle.
More selling here, 64.35 last year.
Alrighty, are you going to come right down and get my stop loss? Because that's what it looks like it's going to do.
Equities, crude.
That's what it looks like.
Order filled.
I'm going to get out while I'm still green. Let's do that. Let's do that. Yeah, probably a good idea. So, what a nasty, nasty 5-minute candle. So what are we doing here? I mean, what can you do with that? I mean, is it just going to go right back up? It broke the trend line. It crosses these moving averages and pushes up over the top, which it did not do. I got out right here. I'm still a little green though for the day. I got out right here. I'm going to see what's going to happen here. If it's going to reverse, man, you almost got out right at the bottom pivot. Let's see what happens here. Very curious to see if it's going to cross these moving averages and push back up over the top here. You teasing? Is it just teasing to go over? A little tease there, isn't it? No, just a little tease. See if it can sucker you again. Never did go down to the close. That's really where my stop loss was, underneath the close of previous day. Hasn't really gotten that low.
Order
I
filled.
think I'm gonna get back in it and put my stop back where it originally was. Because if it holds over this pivot level here, there's what an ugly drop though. I mean, welcome to the NASDAQ. Welcome to the NASDAQ.
But then
Just toying with people's heads, boy. Just toying with people's heads.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Man, I'm trying to get it to go down now. Everything's broken down. Everything's going this way now.
I carry weight that crushed my soul. A thousand stains I couldn't control. Every step felt like a fall. But then you came and called my name. Wiped the dirt and healed
Order filled.
shame. You washed me clean.
Order submitted.
Gotta get something.
All my scars, they fade in you. Jesus, you wash me clean. You wash me
Am I just too close or what? Everything closed under these moving averages. Let's see if we can go short. Everything's down. I'm not going to try to stay long. Why would I stay long?
The mirror show what I despise. A shattered frame of countless lies, but now I see through your eyes. The chains that held me now, they're gone. In your love I found my
It's a long ways to the bottom. There's a long ways to go to the bottom. That long idea did not work, so let's go short. That's all you got. Let's go short. You got it. I'll go short with it. Let's go. Get that thing and keep right on going. All right, I'm putting it up here. Well, the hour chart was going up, and you get this big reversal candle at the open. So that's why we can't stay long. Short is the way to go. Let's go short. Just keep trying to find entries. Got to get better at getting in at the right spot.
You always work it all out. You always work it all.
The heck are we watching, man? Can't you stay up to date? Good grief.
Dude, up about $1.50, about $1.50 for 11 minutes. This New York session. More selling NQ. Here comes some selling now in gold. Gold just dumped about $15, $20 now. Gold
$15.
Be nice if I stay
gold
green
trade
today.
45.78.
Yes, sir.
We're trading right around 4600s when the New York belt did ring.
You have on the sell-off. We have the VIX back above 30.
Come on down, Broncos.
Session highs crude. $2.65.
Right on past that and keep right on going down.
We're selling in gold.
You know you want to turn red.
And Paul will be speaking. I don't know if the cameras will be there. Moderate discussion at Harvard. That's about 45 minutes or so. We will keep an eye on the wire when those headlines do hit. Little about 20-point bounce here. Maybe some short covering in the equities. 20-point bounce in NQ back up to 23,400.
It's a long
All right, last time I make this bad joke, but for all 31 watching across the globe, if you'd be so kind, click subscribe, click like. How do we have 400 likes if we have 30 people watching? Click notify as well if you'd be so kind. Ted,
Yes.
I got you. Got short from 64.21. 64. Short from 64.21. We got NQ making new lows. 23,000.
You love shorting the market, Dre. I love it.
I mean, we're going lower.
There's always
You got
buyer.
short too, Ted.
always
Ted, you got
buyer.
short at the tops,
I know,
man. I'm getting
I
short in the
know,
hole
I
down
know.
here. I wish I was short from where you are. I'll cut this quick if it doesn't go.
Yeah, but I'm out. I only got a little bit of money.
I'm trying to get a little bit of money. A little bit of money adds up. Base hits add up.
Only.
We're stalling
100%.
out here. Stalling out here.
Tony
Stalling out
Gwynn.
here. Oh, Tony. Yep. Ichiro. New lows Dow. Session lows Dow.
It's flowing. Everything looks good.
Crude pulling back.
Hey, Lewis, you there?
Run out of steam to the
20.
downside. Might be run out of steam.
20 below 26, you have two levels.
I didn't see you in the chat, Lewis. I don't know if you're still there or not. Oh, hey, buddy. What's up? I had a great long last night, and I thought it was going to keep going, and I gave it all back when the market opened. So now I'm trying to short it because it's going that way. So I don't know if you can see in the screen. So we're doing better now that we're going short here, but I was up like $400. And that thing gave it all back. So I said, you know what? If it's going to go short, I'm going to go short with it. You know, you can't be married to one way. You know, you got to go with the flow. So it's going down. I'm going to go down with it. Yeah. How long you plan on staying, bud? Did you ever get over to Apex? And you might have to refresh the live stream to keep it up to date. Sometimes it falls behind a little bit. Okay. You never know when this thing's gonna
Order
I'm just going to
filled.
take what I can get because now I'm up 74 and that's better than being red. Still checking. If you got any questions, let me know. I'm not an affiliate. I don't make any money. I'm not trying to promote them. That's the one I use. I use the 50K accounts. And with those, Lewis, you got a choice between the end of day or the trailing stop. And the end of day is going to be a tiny bit more expensive. I think it's $34 a month. And the trailing stop is like $19 a month if you get the right sale. Make sure you always get it on sale. So whatever, if you could afford 19 or 34, I don't have those new ones yet. I still have my old Apex accounts. So these are done different. But if I were to lose them, then I'd have to buy the new ones, and I'd probably get the end of day is what I would get, I think. Hey, let me show you on the screen if you want. I don't know how much you've really looked at it, but I'll show you on the screen here. Since you only have a little bit of time. I'm glad I got out when I did. It's starting to pop back up. One-time password. Yeah, they do have it actually. Yeah, they do. How can you trade a demo? Do you have a platform to trade with? Like I'm using Ninja Trader. I don't know how much, it might take a few dollars to invest. Yeah, they do have a demo. I'll show you right here on mine, but I don't know if you can get the demo without buying one. That's the thing. Let me see here. Yeah, right here. I'll show you on the screen right here. I don't know if you can see it. Right here's the demo simulator. Oh shoot. Let me get my account numbers off of there. But I don't think you can get the simulator without buying one. So I don't even, but you know what you could do? I don't know if you could do the 19 a month, get the one that's 19 a month and then get the simulator, but don't trade the other one. Well, technically what they do now is you have to trade it within 30 days. It expires. That never used to be that way. Mine are the old ones. And so if your goal is to do a simulator right now, what you could do is just practice on the screen maybe. Trading View, yeah, Trading View. There you go. Are you able to trade futures on that thing, or are you just going to trade stocks on it? Oh, you like Forex. There you go. Okay. For the Apex thing doesn't do, that's just futures. Oh, you do? That's your thing. Good. Oh, there you go. All right. So you already got a simulator. You already got an idea and a plan and what you want to trade and everything. Okay. I didn't know that. So that's why I was just kind of telling you about the futures and stuff. Yeah. I've never done that. I've done options. I've done stocks. I've done futures. Good. Okay. Well, I'm glad I got out of this before it started bouncing back up. Got out down here at the bottom. Well, trading's almost the same no matter what you're trading in terms of technical analysis. I mean, the liquidity sweeps on Forex are brutal from what I've seen. Market makers and all that stuff, algorithms, it's in every market. You're still looking at Apex? Okay. Well, this is, I don't know, this is pretty cheap in my opinion. I guess with Forex you can trade, what is it, 24 hours a day? I don't know if they have a closing moment. Uh-oh, here it comes back down. Off of that close, this is another chance to do it. Let's see if it gives me a green bar ignored here. I hate it when it just takes off like a bullet. It doesn't give you a chance to get in.
Order filled.
I'll try it again right here. Let's see.
Order submitted.
I don't know if I'm too close or not, but if it's gonna go, let it go right here. That green candle. No. It. I don't know if I should have it up higher or not. Sunday through Friday, yeah. Keep going down, bro. Keep going down. My stop's at the right spot then. Well, if it comes up and gets me, I don't. This is a decent try. I mean, everything's going down. Wish that 5 minute would. Yeah, right at the close of yesterday, the previous day, it's trying to get back up and now it's failing. So if it shoots right past this green bar down, that'd be great.
Order filled.
It stopped me out. Dang it. Well, I don't know. Am I green still? I'm still green a little bit. I mean, I can't say that was a bad trade. It started to break back down. It was rolling back down. Yeah, that was a good try. What can I say? I got no problem with that try. That was a good try. Now let's see if it's going to go back up, 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 up. But it's still down very, very strongly. So it's trying to get back over that dash line, which is previous day's level. If it gets back over that dash line, previous day's close, it may go. Yeah, that's what we I'm short now. I want it to stay below that line. I want it to pass this green bar and keep on going down. But it's going to do what it wants to do. Start to climb back up over the top here. Well, let's see. Yeah, absolutely. Paper trading is the way to go, man. It really is. I don't know if I trust any kind of reversals here. It is over the yesterday's level, but these two charts are starting to look good. The 5 minute, however, is this 5 and 15. There's still, it's starting to come back up. But when do you go, when do you trust it to reverse on these two charts, the 15 and the 5? Because that strong move down is riveting. Very riveting. But if we just look at our lower time tick charts, you see it's taking off. Scalpers love it. And then that happens. Exactly. You start thinking, okay, maybe we'll go long. Boom.
Death has no bite.
Okay. What do we got here? Do we got the makings of a nice pattern? I like the pattern. I like it. Is it possibly going to keep going? If it pushes over the top of this, I think I got to give it a try here.
Order
I
filled.
think I'm going to. Stop
Order submitted.
under the close of yesterday. Back, see if it comes all the way back down there, and then it's just too choppy for me, man. Maybe we can get a 1-to-1 on this, hopefully. I do a 1-day chart to start. I put straight lines at top and low wicks. Then I move to 5-minute. There is strategy I'm checking. I will share. Let me look for it. Okay. Dude, I mean, I tell you what, man, I got about 10 different strategies and ideas and things I've practiced. I like watching what other people do. But sometimes you just got to pick something and try to get better at it, because eventually you're going to get overloaded with different strategies. I mean, that happens to all of us, I think. Come on, baby, get up there. And I keep giving back my profits, man. Make some, give it back. Make some, give it back.
You promised you'd stay right here with me.
Man. Stay above yesterday's close and I'll be all right. That's all you got to do. Stay above yesterday's close.
You promised you'd stay right here with
Stay above previous day's close. Wasn't yesterday, it was Friday, but still. I'll take a 1-to-1 and be happy with this. I mean, I'm barely breaking green here. Anything that will help? Yeah. Let's see what you got. This one is a very good one. Don't need indicators. Try it when you can. I will be using it, but will still to my own. But when I saw it, it caught my attention. Where is it? Did you? Anything that will help? Yeah, I know, man. I look at a lot of different things. Sometimes I get curious and I'll try it, and then I just always keep coming back to. Eventually, you just gotta settle on something, you know. It's really wild how everybody trades a
Order
little.
filled.
What happened? What do you mean order filled? Oh, stop me out, did you? Okay. Well, it stopped me out. That's good. Well, it's down now. It's short again. Trying to go long when these charts started pointing up. So now if it's just going to chop on this 15-minute chart, I really want it to go short, but if it gets, it might just chop right here all day long in this, because the 5-minute, yeah, it started going up. I was trying to go up with it, and now it's just dancing around previous day's level. Dancing around the level. Just came down to stop me out, going back up. I mean, I really want to try to get it long, but I was green, gave it back, got green, gave it back. Now I'm a little bit red. You can't really trust it right now. 15 and 5. What are they doing? 15 and 5. I can't force it to do something. I put a link at bottom. I don't think you can put links in this. I didn't see your link. Be honest with you, bro. I'll be straight up honest with you. I could check it out for entertainment, but I've made my goal now to just stick with something, and I've already got, oh man, I've already got about 3 to 5 different ways I like to trade, and it's like if I start trying something different, I'm just going backwards at this point. And you know what I mean? It's like I've been practicing different strategies for about 3 years now, and I'm just kind of settling in on the ones I like the best. But you know, you at some point you just got to go, okay, this is what I'm going to do, and this is how I'm going to get better at this. Yeah, I think yeah, but I don't mind looking at how somebody trades. If I had a friend, like if you wanted to show me how you traded, I'd love to see how you traded. You can always learn and pick up little things. I understand that part of it, but to change your entire system, it's just like, it's almost like you can't make your mind up of how you want to trade, and you never get anywhere. It's these cotton picking choppy markets that I don't think it's going down anymore.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm going to decide to go long here and put it at the bottom of this. See, just stay out of the way here. Okay, let's take a look at this. I think I get too close. I really do. So it's making higher lows here. Okay. There we go. Oh, okay, yeah, let me see that for sure. Yeah, they're ripping people off in crypto now. Yeah, I gotcha. They moved over to the next biggest way to rip people off, it sounds. Okay.
Order submitted.
I just hope it's found a bottom, but I don't know. It's hard to say. It could easily keep rolling down, man.
Sky turns black, no guiding light. I was lost in endless night. Waves crash high, no shore in sight. You found me. My soul was adrift and torn. A lonely boat in a sudden storm. You are my rock, my anchor strong. Where I belong, my rock, my refuge.
Order filled.
Getting out. It's too weak. It's too weak to try to go long, man. It's too weak. So
Thoughts like whispers, demons speak. Made my spirit feel so weak. Just a glimpse of grace I see. You held me. Thoughts like whispers, demons speak. Made my spirit feel so weak. Just a glimpse of grace I see. You held me.
Order filled.
all right, let's do this.
Order submitted.
Probably last trade. Probably last trade. Let's see what we get here. It's short, man. Stop trying to go long on it.
Thoughts like whispers, demons speak.
You had the one good long idea and then it didn't work, so
Just a glimpse of grace I see. You held me. You are my rock, my anchor strong. Where I belong, my refuge.
Okay, okay, okay.
Oh, Jesus, my leader, always. You lead me to still waters. My heart you make new again, good shepherd. Your heartbeat. Your heartbeat. Lonely places. My heavy tears fall free. You find me, you hold me tight. Always with me. Oh, Jesus, my leader, always. You lead me to still waters. My heart you make new again, good shepherd. Your heartbeat. Your heartbeat.
Oh, shoot. Didn't mean to turn that off. Whatever, man.
Broken pieces scattered away together with your hand. A new song now inside. Help me understand. Oh, Jesus, my leader, always. You lead me to still waters. My heart you make new again. Good
Okay, go in my favor. That's good. That's what we want to see. Go. You already, yeah, that's where the buyers are at. You already pierced them. Keep going past them. You took them out. That's good. Keep right on going.
lonely places.
You don't have to come back up.
Tears fall free.
You don't have to.
You find me
You need to go down more. A little more. A little more down. Down more. There you go. Go back down. Just go back down. You wanted to get a few more buyers and then slam them back down, didn't you? I know it. Just stay short. You got the 15 and the 5 short. There's no reason to try to go long on this thing. If you want to scalp, scalp to the bottom side, scalp to the short side. Yeah, your exponentials are short too, so that's good. Let's just stay short. Stay short. Stay short. Stay short. Stay short. Trend line breaks to the downside. That's what we need to be doing. That's a 1,000 tick chart. Trend line breaks to the downside. Come on.
Order filled.
Add. Let me add to it. Let's see.
Order
Keep
submitted.
going.
Order
Keep
submitted.
coming down. Come on. You can do it. Come back down to this pivot level. Come on. You can do it. Come on back down. Well, it's not the way I wanted. This way. I'm doing trendline breaks to the downside because everything's down. Trendline breaks to the downside, even if it doesn't work, that's fine.
Order filled.
Okay, whatever. Trendline breaks to the downside. All these trendline breaks to the downside are working. So let's see if we can. Well, that one didn't. I like these pintails. Over here, it looks like it wants to keep going down, doesn't it? Yes, it does. Are you just gonna? I'm gonna get a trend line break this time. Just wait for a green bar ignored or something, because that trend line break did not work. It might keep stealing your lunch money here. Keep going. Here you go. I love that pattern on the left side there. Come on, man. Come on back down. At least let me get green. Okay, I got my right thinking on now, finally. Stop trying to go long. Everything's down. This day's turning red. It's a red day now. Where's those overnight lows? It might want to go back down to the overnight lows, which are previous day, current day overnight lows, right there. They're way down here. There we go. Well, that's a long ways down, buddy. Wouldn't that be something? I'll just take a 2-to-1 on it. I won't get greedy. What to do? It's a 2-to-1. It's gonna have to go almost down to previous day's low, or today's low, overnight's low down at the bottom there. But it has dropped below previous day's close, and it took out them sellers. That's what that box was. That took out them sellers. I'm sorry, those buyers. There's some buyers sitting right there that kept bringing it back up. Those buyers kept bringing it back up, and it broke. Now it's consolidating and continuing, so there's really nothing holding it up except for way down here last night, overnight levels. Yeah. Dude, I gotta get on the right side of this thing, man. So I gotta... Friday, the market went exactly where I thought it was going to go on Friday, this big red candle, and I ended up with a red day. I started off way up here. I'm like, I think it's going to go down here. And at the end of the day, it went all the way down here, just like I thought, but I still ended up down $100. And I had to go back and review that. I'm like, what was my problem? How could I end up red on a day when I thought it hit my target, actually? So, you know, I'm seeing some flaws, and yeah, it was crazy. I slapped myself pretty hard. It's all because I'm really ignoring these charts here. Like I went long a minute ago. Why would I go long when these two charts are pointed down like this? Like, why would I try to buy it long? So I went back to my good thinking here, and now I'm short. I'm not going to try to go long. Keep these charts pointed down. I'll be happy. Two to one is all I need. I'll be back to green, and I think I'll stop for the day. I should have stopped last night. I was up $400, bro. Went to bed, woke up this morning up 400, closed my overnight trade, and then I started trading. Gave it all back. Oh my gosh. This is teaching me to hold. It's teaching me a lot. Teaching me to stay focused on the direction. Trying to understand the direction better. This thing trades like this almost every single day now. Just choppy up, choppy down, choppy up, choppy down. But I like when you get all the moving averages agreeing, everybody, and then it just is something like this. Just my stop's up here though. See, it just had to come up and sweep that pivot level right there. It just had to do that. That's not because there's buyers. There's no buyers doing that. That is the computer doing that. The algorithm, they say. Come on back down where you're supposed to be. All right, well, is it going to go stop me out? Is it going to take out all those red candles and just come right up and stop me out? All that. Is it going to come all the way back up here and stop me out? We'll see. Of course, it's done that before. That doesn't mean I'm going to go long. Trend line. Tried to add to it on the trend line break. back down. See if it'll give us a green bar ignored here. I'd like to add to it, but it's been so fast. I don't think I'm going to trade on these lower time charts anymore. I've been trading on the 500 and the 250 tick charts. Well, here's a chance to see if it's going to give us a green bar ignored. Is it going to come down? Don't go too fast.
Order
I'll
filled.
add to that. Let's see if I can get a double.
Order
Come on,
submitted.
keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming.
Order submitted.
Just come down a little bit. All I'm asking for is a tiny bit, tiny little bit. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come down here to the pivot level. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get something out of it.
Order filled.
All right, I just took it off. Let me see. I got like 12 points on that second one. My stop's up here though.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
So yeah, we scalped that a little bit to the downside. I'm happy about that. Let me see. Yeah, 12 points on the second one. I just closed. I just want to scalp it. Come on. Trend line breaks to the downside are working. That ugly pintail just had to come up.
Nope. I'm with you.
We'll get IB high, IB
Here we
low
go.
here.
Gonna get stopped out of this.
So
1 minute on the closing candle here.
just going without.
5-minute candles, Ted.
Yeah, I'm using the 5 minutes. I'm
Okay.
a volume. I like volume profile, by the way. Big fan.
Oh, look at these
Nice.
two. 2 peas in a pod here. $2.
So you're seeing those low volume nodes we just tested too.
Yep.
Crude. Back about $102. $102.28. Crude's whipping around choppy right now.
Nice.
Just
Very nice.
it's just centering around VWAP right now.
I bought 6 of those down there, babe.
Did you?
I'm out of the NQ trade. I actually added 6 in my other account and closed flat on NQ. Still long in the MES.
Okay.
How many are you long now?
Yeah, Ted.
I'm long 6 micros in my top step and 2 NQ from 23,356. I may add to my MES here. My target on this is
Crude just got met with some pretty decent selling here. About a 40-cent sell off in this 5-minute. Back beneath $102.
adding a full
We got
MES is long 8 from 431. My target would be 44.
64.31. Ted along 8. Yes. Target.
All right.
Bunch of crude here. And Powell scheduled to speak at the bottom of the hour. We just stall like this.
Aaron's still yakking.
Yeah, how what do you got for Delta, Hogue?
Negative 3,600 in the S&P is negative 1,700 in the NASDAQ. Been growing with overall direction.
We're trying to figure out what to do with $102. Back to-
Interesting that drop in gold, Delta's flat.
It is. We popped a little bit there. $2.30.
Use a little help from a little break in crude here if we can get it.
Yeah, heads up. Heads up. Gold selling off now. Is the Dow.
Come on, NQ. Lead us.
Yeah, I something.
Thanks,
Got cooking
we.
here. Yeah, what do we got cooking here? Shit.
Nice. Not good on that.
No, we're gonna, all right. I got to
Gonna get cut. Gonna get stopped out of this.
Gold saw some selling. Yeah, did you out?
Stopped out. Yep. Dollar amount.
All right, I got short. Yeah, maybe shorts are the play. I had to get short there. It's gonna be choppy right now. Watching crude right now.
Yes.
Dow's seeing some selling. We're seeing a bit of an uptick there. You got long from 31s, Ted?
I had a long from
Yeah.
31s.
Okay.
I got stopped.
Yep, okay. Gold here. Gold 45.52 last trade. $7 off the lows there.
I was really kind of surprised to see how thin gold is still.
Shit. Yeah.
I know it just rolled. I get that. It just seems like it's so thin. Volume is still very low in gold and in silver. Well, we'd see a little bit
It's
more
twitchy.
blood coming into the market there.
This market is twitchy.
The dome is anemic.
Yes, it is. Just like that. And crude seeing some selling
All
here.
right, we got PAL in 10 minutes.
Yeah. Thought we were gonna go. Some gold here. Paul's scheduled to speak about the hour. We also get those initial balance high, initial balance low prices for the equities. What are those? Simply the highest, lowest price trade in the first hour of the New York session.
Yes, I have preemptively marked them right here.
What do you got for highs, Jack?
High in the MES, which I'm looking at right now, 64.71. Low.
Order
we
filled.
could maybe take out before we get the 9:30, but right
Order
now the low of
canceled.
the New York session.
All right,